When installing epoxy flooring, have you ever experienced these problems? If you're confused about what went wrong, Semwa Paint is here to explain the causes and solutions. The pot life of paint can vary greatly depending on storage conditions and working temperature. In summer, elevated paint temperature due to outdoor storage can accelerate the reaction, drastically shortening the pot life and causing rapid curing. Use immediately after mixing and stirring the hardener. Since the reaction begins immediately when part B is added to part A, do not pre-pour part B into part A. Avoid outdoor storage and keep paint indoors away from direct sunlight. Be sure to complete all work within the manufacturer's recommended pot life. If the pot life is exceeded, the paint temperature rises sharply and gelation occurs. If the paint has already fully hardened, simply apply a fresh new coat over the completely cured thickness and then recoat as needed. Due to the nature of metallic paint, linear streak patterns can appear during the coating process. Especially when the floor surface is uneven, paint flows from higher to lower areas, causing air bubbles, foreign particles, and metallic pigments to move together, forming partial streak patterns in the process. Immediately after coating, lightly spray Epocoat 1000 thinner into the air. This improves flowability and can help alleviate streak marks. There are limitations in completely controlling streak marks in metallic paint due to its product characteristics. Rather than viewing them as defects, recognize them as an interior element that highlights the unique pattern and texture of metallic finishes. When recoating with light metallic paint over a dark existing coat, the original color may show through, reducing hiding power. Also, applying light-colored metallic paint after putty repairs can make putty marks appear as stains. When using light-colored metallic paint, apply a top coat of a similar color or white as a sealer before metallic finishing. Also, if the floor is not level, the coating thickness will be uneven, which can cause show-through, so level the floor with leveling mortar before you start painting. Metallic paints can easily show color differences or visible seams during partial repairs, so a full recoating is highly recommended. After the existing coat has dried completely, reapply according to the metallic recoating system to ensure proper hiding power. Apply Epocoat top coat first, followed by the interior metallic flooring. The issue of improper drying can occur not only with general epoxy, but also with interior use paints. Incorrect mixing ratios or insufficient stirring can make the coating tacky. In low temperature or high humidity environments, curing may be delayed, preventing proper drying. Also, amine blushing can cause stickiness that makes the surface appear as if it hasn't dried properly. Follow the exact mixing ratio of the base component and hardener, and work in a proper environment of 5 to 35 degrees Celsius with humidity below 80%. Avoid working on rainy days or when the temperature is low and humidity is high. If improper drying occurs due to mixing errors or poor stirring, remove the affected coating and perform a full recoating. If there is only stickiness from amine blushing, clean the substrate and reapply in the order of Epocoat primer and then the top coat. For a long-lasting, defect-free epoxy floor, proper preparation and precise application make all the difference. Create a beautiful, high-quality floor finish with the trusted Semwa paint brand.